Okay, our trousers is ready now. You can see that it looked rough when we were sewing it, but now after giving it a good press, we have a very good trousers here. So the last thing that I'm doing on this trousers is to fold it, the 2 inches that I put that is on top on the waist, I'll fold it in, I'll stitch it down, then I will insert my elastic into it. How will you know the elastic you should put? Just get your 1-inch rubber, place the waist of your trousers on it, then measure like 6 inches after it, 6 inches, 5 or 6 inches after it, then you cut. So this is what I'll be using. You can see, measure it's like 5 or 6 inches longer than it. Then so the last thing I'm going to do now is just go and sew this down. Then I will leave a space, insert my elastic, and that will be all with my trousers.